everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how can you make these pretty bracelet easily. So all you will need is just a couple of beads you have at home, and look at this. In this one I've hanged flower bead, and this one in the pink I've add the butterfly charm. And these are super easy to make. The design is pretty different. I'm going to teach this blue one in this video, and you will easily can make this one as well after watching it. So let's get started with the video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you so much everyone. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so for this video of bracelet, you will need, the supplies are some 10 mm crystals. Make sure you use that fine quality crystals. It's depend on your choice if you're using a real crystal or just a glass crystal. I'm using some 8 mm crystals right here, which is in color blue, in milky blue shade. I'm using some real shell beads right here. As you can see, it's beautiful. Look at the shine. Okay, you will need some of those. You will need some nail pens. You will need one of these floral bead. You will need leaf, bead, some 4 mm metal beads. These are really small and really look great on your bracelet. Jewelry pliers, really fine chain in gold or silver, whatever you are color making. You will need some elastic, 0.8 mm or 1 mm, depends on how weighted your crystals are. Okay, so I am going to start with the hanging first. I'm going to take my leaf bead right here, insert your nail through, and then I'm going to add this flower right at the top. And to give it a look of flower, you will need one 6 mm pearl, or you can use any other crystal if you wanted to, any other shaded crystal you like. Now I'm going to take my nose plier and make a loop at the top, bend and cut. And then you're just going to make a regular loop like that. So the charm is ready to hang. Now we are going to take chain. If you wanted to use the thicker chain, it's totally depend on you. You wanted to, you can go ahead and use it. I am going to use a really fine. This chain will give a really nice delicate look to your work. Excuse me if I'm out of focus. It's just because of this, my camera is into a trauma that what I am actually doing. Just passing this chain through this nail, and because the chain is so fine that the end is not getting in, but I have to because I already did twice. Okay, it's done. It's done. Now I'm going to close back like that. So your charm is ready to hang to your bracelet. These will look really good as earrings as well. I'm going to give a little bit longer to. There is no measurement for this. It's depend on your choice at how long you want your charm to be, your hanging to be. Now the next one is this right here, just a single crystal. I'm not going to add anything because this will look really good. Simple. Cut and then make a loop. I'm going to add the chain, and I'm going to make sure I am going to cut little short chain this time so that they will not hang side by side, but Okay, this will get it, don't worry. Yes. Fold. And your second charm is ready. Now I'm going to make sure I cut a little bit shorter than this one, because I want this to be long and this one to be short. Okay, now keep it aside. Okay, my cat is meowing. Anyways, now I'm going to take my elastic and I'm going to take 12 of these beads. Okay, now size of this bracelet, it totally depends on if you wanted to make for a hand size 2.8 or 2.6. So I'm going to add 12 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. After adding 12 of these crystals, we are going to take our 10 mm crystal right here and insert it in. And now I'm going to take my 6 mm golden ball, insert it in. Take your next 10 mm crystal, take your next 4 mm bead, golden of course, another third one, insert your this right here, and now I'm going to add my super shiny crystal shell bead. Look at this shine. Add in again the golden bead, and now we are going to add these chains. So add one, and then the flower one, the flower charm one, and again you have to repeat the same thing. First you're going to take your 4 mm golden bead, add in your 10 mm crystal, your golden bead, 10 mm crystal, your golden bead, and 10 mm crystal. And look at this, your bracelet looking really gorgeous. Okay, now we are going to tie a knot, and before you tie a knot, just make a knot and hold it and then wear your bracelet. And if you think it's tight, you can add more beads, of course. If you think it's okay, then just go ahead and make a knot. I think I should add 2 of these 8 mm beads, and then I'm going to tie the knot. And this is how your bracelets looks like right now. Okay, I think I should remove one bead. Now I'm going to tie and make sure it's nice and secure, and I'm going to pass it through the bead. Okay, it's passing. I'm going to make now further 1 to 2 more knots. This is how I tie my bracelets. I don't know how other people does, but this is how I tie my bracelet. I make knot until my bead is jammed in this knot. Hope you get my point. I'm going to take my scissors, cut, and you're done. And look at this masterpiece. So this one in blue right here, and this one I made it in pink, but I have added the butterfly this time because I don't have the pink flower bead, so I added the butterfly right here. And look at these, looking really pretty. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. And in this one I have added the shell heart right here. Look at this, shining. on the side, and this one I have used the flat one, the oval shaped one on the middle. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. Thank you so much everyone. Take care. Bye bye.